In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Grok account safely. If you've decided you're done with Grok, I'll walk you through the exact screen so you can remove your account confidently. And I'll point out a few things to keep in mind before you commit. First, open Grok, either in your web browser or in the Grok app, and sign into the account you want to delete. Take a moment to confirm you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account on the same device. Because deletion is permanent, it's a good idea to save anything you might need later, like key conversation snippets, before you proceed. Next, head to Settings. You'll find this by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Data Control. This is where Grok groups privacy and data tools, including the option to delete your account. If you need the app or prefer using the website, I've placed the official download link and the website link at the very top of the description so you can get to Grok quickly and safely. In Data Control, scroll down until you see the section called Delete Account. Here, Grok typically explains what deletion means, including that your chat history and personal data will be removed and that the action can't be undone. Take a moment to read that summary so you know exactly what to expect. When you're ready, click Delete Account. If you're prompted for your password, enter it to verify it's really you, then confirm that you want to permanently delete the account. Some users may see an extra confirmation dialog. Just follow the on-screen prompts until you see that your request has been accepted. This verification step helps protect your account from accidental or unauthorized changes. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion. That means Grok begins the removal process and queues your data for permanent deletion. You may be signed out right away, and you won't be able to access your chats or settings after this point. If you have any active sessions on other devices, those will stop working as the deletion takes effect. The backend process can take a short while to complete, but you don't need to do anything else. Your information will be removed as part of the deletion request. That's how you delete your Grok account quickly using the data control settings. Thanks for watching.